In this video, I'll show you how to add a bloom effect in DaVinci Resolve using the Fusion page. Start by making sure your clip is in the timeline. Hold down the Alt key, then click and drag your clip upward. This will create a duplicate of your clip and place it right above the original. Now right-click on the duplicated clip and choose Open in Fusion page. This will take you into the Fusion workspace. Here, click on the Media in node, then press Ctrl and Space on your keyboard to open the Tool search box. In the search bar, type Luma key and choose the option that has brackets next to its name. Then click Add. Now your video will only show the white or bright parts. In the Inspector panel on the right, adjust the gamma settings to isolate the areas you want to glow. Next, select the Luma key node, then press Ctrl and Space again. This time, search for soft glow and add it. To reduce the intensity of the glow, lower the gain value in the inspector. To make the glow look softer and more natural, increase the glow size. Once you're happy with the effect, go back to the Edit page. Now your clip has a smooth bloom effect applied using Fusion. That's how you add bloom in DaVinci Resolve.